Welcome to the Space Roles module in Bulkify, designed to simplify role and permission management across multiple spaces. Let's start with Copy Users to Space Roles. Simply select a source space, choose the required space roles, select a destination space, and click Copy Users. Bulkify automatically copies all users assigned to those roles, ensuring consistent permissions across spaces, while eliminating repetitive manual work. Next, we have Add Users/Groups to the space or project role using CSV. Instead of adding users or groups one by one, administrators can upload a CSV file and assign multiple users or groups to specific space roles in bulk. This makes onboarding teams and managing permissions much faster and more efficient. Similarly, the Remove Users/Groups using CSV feature allows administrators to remove multiple users or groups from space roles at once. Simply upload the CSV file, process it, and Bulkify handles the bulk updates automatically. Finally, let's look at Export Space Roles. This feature allows administrators to export complete space role information, including assigned users and groups for reporting, auditing, compliance, or documentation purposes. With Bulkify, managing space roles becomes quick, accurate, and hassle-free. Whether you're copying role assignments, updating permissions, managing access, or exporting role data, Bulkify helps administrators save time and maintain consistency across all spaces. Get started with Bulkify today.